dear children. Hope you are fit and healthy and are very much excited to start the session. In the last video, I had given you a worksheet from the chapter My Body, of which we'll be discussing the answers in this video. So, are you all ready for it? Show me a thumbs up. Very good. So, this was the first question in the worksheet. Okay, now tell me, how many of you were able to attend all the parts of this question? Raise your hands up. Very good. So now we'll be discussing the answer of the same. So I want everyone to speak their answers loudly. Now I'll read the questions for you and you have to tell me the answers. Now the first question says, hair grows on R. Now here we have to take the correct option. The first option is palm. First show me where is your palm. Everyone, show me where is your palm. Can you see hair on this? No. Now, stomach. Do you think hair grow on stomach? Not at all. Forehead. Show me where is your forehead? And do you have hair on your forehead? No. Head. Now everyone show me where is your head? Do you have hair on your head? Very good. So we'll mark this answer. That means hair grows on our head. Now the second question says, we pedal our bicycle with. The first option is hands. Now everyone know how to ride a bicycle? You know how to pedal a bicycle? Okay, so do you pedal it with your hands? No. Do you pedal it with your legs? Yes, we pedal the bicycle with our legs. So we'll put a tick on legs. Now the third question says, to sit down on the floor, we bend our. Okay, now everyone knows how to sit. Okay, now which part of the body do we bend in order to sit? Do we bend our elbow? No. Do we bend our foot? No. Do we bend our knees? Yes, we bend our knees. Now in the fourth question, tongue is inside our dash. Now tongue is inside our, first option is mouth, second is feet, third is ears, and fourth is nose. Now everyone show me where is your tongue. Take out your tongue and show me where is it. Is it in your mouth? Yes, very good. So the tongue is in the mouth. Now fifth question, we hold our pencil with. Now children, while writing, how do you hold your pencil? Do you hold it with toes, with fingers, with elbows, or with mouth? So, how do you write? Do you hold it with fingers? Yes, so we'll mark the second option. Now I'll show you the answers and just cross check whether you have done it right or not. Everyone, eyes on the screen. Check it everyone. Have you all done it right? Have you all checked? So give me a thumbs up then. Very good. Now we'll move to the next question. In this question, we will have to take the correct word and write in the blank. So I'll read the sentence for you and you will tell me the answers loudly. And in the bracket, the words are given. So we'll take the correct answer. So in the first sentence, it is written, I run on my dash. So children, do you run on your hands or you run on your legs? You run on your Speak your answers loudly. Legs. Very good. Now in the second question, I draw with my dash. So do you draw with your feet or your hands? You draw it with your hands. Very good. So we'll write here hands. I hold things with my dash. So children, do you hold your things with your hands or your mouth? You hold it with your... Speak your answers loudly. Very good. You hold it with your hands. I stand on my dash. You stand on your legs or you stand on your head? How do you stand? Stand up everyone. First stand up everyone. Now tell me, on which part of the body are you standing? Are you all standing on your heads? No. So on your legs? Yes, we all stand on our legs. Very nice. Now I'm showing you the answers. You just cross check your answers whether you have done right or not. Now children, just check your answers if you have done it right. Have you all done? Now give me a thumbs up. Very good. Now we'll move to the next question. Here a picture of a boy is given and we have to write the letter beside the name of the body part. So here, stomach. The first word is stomach. So children, where can you find the stomach? Is this the stomach? Yes. And which letter is written here? G. So here we'll write G. Now the next is knee. Now find out in the body, where can you see the knee? Here it is. So which letter is here? J. So beside knee, here we'll write J. Very good. Now neck. Now in the body we'll find out where is the neck. This is our neck. So which letter is written here? E. So here we'll write E. Very good. Now next is arm. So children, here in the body, where is the arm? This is the arm. So which letter is written here? F. So here in this box we'll write F. Waist. Now where do you see the waist? Here is the waist. And which letter is written here? H. So here we'll write H. Very good. Now comes foot. Now find out where is the foot in the body. Tell me, where is the foot? This is the foot. Now here L is written. So we'll write here L. Very nice, kids. Now here on the other side, the word is ankle. Now in the body, where do you find the ankle? Right, this is the ankle. So here the letter is K. So we'll write K here beside the ankle. Next word is forehead. So where in the body can you see the forehead? Is it here? Very good. So which letter is written here? A. So write down A here beside the forehead. Very nice, kids. Now the next word is eye. Now where is the eye? This is the eye. and the letter written here is B. So here we'll write B. Next part is thigh. Now where is the thigh? This portion is thigh. So the letter is I. So here we'll write I. Next word is mouth. And where is the mouth? Here it is. So the letter is D. So here we'll write D. Then comes nose. Where on the body can you find the nose? This is the nose. So the letter written here is C. So here we'll write C. Now children, I'll show you the answers of this question and you just check that if you have done it correctly or not. All of you can cross check your answers. Have you all cross checked? Are you all done? Very good children. Now show me a thumbs up if you have done all the 3 questions correctly. Very nice children. So now children, today we have discussed all the questions of the back exercise, and from the next video we'll be starting with the theme page. So in the next video, what we'll do? We'll do theme page of the chapter My Body. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.